Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello. Okay, today I'm going to present for the activity 1 for the 3-phase AC circuit for activity 1. Okay, this is my circuit for activity 1. This is 3-phase for the source. This is for the power. This is for VRY. And this is IRN. This is for the I for VRN. This is a resistor. Okay, first when volt equals to 45, when we run, the result we will get for the power in watt, we will get 30.3 and 30.4. We plus these two and we get 60.7. And this is for the VRY. We get 78.5. For the IRN, we get 0.45 ampere. And for the VRN, we get 45.3 volt. Then next, we change this with the power, reactive power. Then when we run, the other we will get same, but for the reactive power, we will get when we plus these two, we will get 0. Okay, next, for the volt equals to 90, when we run, okay, this is for reactive power. When we plus these two, we will get 0. And this is for VRY, we get 155 volt. For the IRN, we get 0.89 volt or 0.9 volt. And for the VRN, we get 39.4 volt or 90 volt. This is 0.19 ampere. Sorry. Okay. Next, when we change it to the power in watt, so when we run, the other we will get the same value, and for the power, we get, when we plus these two, we will get 243 volt, 43 watt. Okay. Next, when the volt equals to 135 volt, so we run, okay, for the power in watt, we will get 556.00 watt, and for the VRY, we will get 234 volt. For the I current, we will get 1.34 ampere. For the VRN, we get 134 volt. Okay, next, we change the power in as the reactive power in VAR. So when we run, the other will remain the same value with, like before, and this one, when we plus these two, we will get 0. So that's all for the activity 1.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Izzati binti Omar, number matric CE109111. For today, I would like to present my simulation lab 6 for activity 2. Okay, for the first voltage is 45 volt. Okay, and for the resistance, 3 resistance here. All of them is 100 ohm. Now we run. And then we get 21.9 volt and current to Y and R is 0.22, and for the current here is 0.35, and for the power 7.28 plus 6.78, we get 14.06 watt, and for the bar 2.34 plus negative 6.99, and we get negative 4.65 bar. Okay, next for next voltage is 90 volt. Still the value of the resistance still the same. Then we run. Okay, and the voltage of the circuit 43.9 volt, and current here is 0.44, and current here is 0.69 amp. Okay, for the power we add 28.9 plus 27.3, and we get 56.2, and for the Q 9.05 plus negative 27.2, we get negative 18.15. Okay. Okay, next, lastly, for the activity 2, we must find 135 volt for 135 volt. Okay. Okay, then we run. After we run, okay, we get the voltage. The AC voltage is 65.7 volt, and for the current is 0.66 amp, and for this current we get 1.04 amp, and for the power we get 64.9 plus 61.7, and we get 126.6 watt, and for the bar we 20.1 plus negative 60.7, and we get negative 40.6. Okay, that's all from activity 2 lab 6. Thank you. I would like to present my simulation lab for activity 3. Okay, first of all, for our V phase, the value of volt is 45 volt. Okay, then we run, and we get for volt is 36.5, and for the AC volt here 21.2, and for ammeter the current 0.1, and for the power we add this both of these, and we get around 6.6 plus 6.88, we got 13.48, and then for the bar we add 4.16 plus negative 3.62, and we get 0.54. Okay, this is for 45 volt, and then next the voltage of V phase is 90 volt. Okay. The value of resistance and inductor still the same, just the voltage of 3-phase change. Okay, so we run 90 volt. Then we get the AC volt is 74.1, and here we get 42.5, and we get the current for this circuit is 0.42, and for the power 26.4 plus 27.5, we got 53.9, and for the VAR 16.6 plus negative 14.5, we get 2.1. Okay, next for lastly for the last voltage is 135 volt. Okay, then still the resistance and inductance are still the same. Then we run, we get the volt is 110, and then we get this 63.2. For the current is 0.64, and for the ammeter, for the watt, for the power 59.2 plus 62.1, and we get 121.3, and for the VAR 37.5 plus negative 32.6, and we get 4.9. Okay, that's all from lab 6 activity 3.